and welcome to Tongue Ticklers. Today's tongue tickler is the all-time favorite pizza. Everyone loves this versatile food and it's being missed even more in the current lockdown situation. Are you also craving a pizza? Then why wait for any pizza delivery? In this video, let us see a simple step-by-step method to make a delicious pizza in the comfort of your home. And what is even better? It is Indian-style tandoori pizza. Wait, have you subscribed to our channel yet? If not, go ahead and click the subscribe button now to stay updated on our tongue-tickling recipes. So let's get started. To put it simply, a pizza has a dough base, pizza sauce, your favorite toppings. We are making tandoori chicken and paneer, your favorite veggies, and delicious cheese. First, let us see how to make the pizza dough. For this, we need plain flour or maida, olive oil, yeast. If you don't have yeast, you can use baking powder as well. Lukewarm water, sugar, and salt. Before we make the dough, let us activate or wake up the yeast. If you're using baking powder, you can skip this step. In a small bowl, take half a cup of lukewarm water. Make sure it's not too hot as this will kill the yeast. 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast. And give it a good stir. This yeast will make the dough softer and lighter. Let it rest for 5 minutes. Now, to make the dough, take a large bowl and add 2.5 cups of plain flour or maida, 2 teaspoons salt, and 1/4 cup of olive oil. Give it a quick stir. Let us take the activated yeast. After about 5 minutes, you will notice that the mixture gets frothy. This is good, it means the yeast is working. Add this mixture to the flour. If you are using baking powder, just add 2 tablespoons of baking powder to the flour. Next, add half a cup of lukewarm water. Mix well and gently knead the dough. So the dough has come together and this will be enough to make 2 large pizzas. Cover the dough with a cling wrap or a moist cloth and allow it to rest for 30 minutes for the yeast to work its magic and the dough will rise, almost doubling in size. Meanwhile, let's get to preparing our toppings. We need chicken or paneer, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, salt, and tandoori masala. To marinate the chicken, take 250 grams of boneless chicken. To that, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon chili powder, and 2 teaspoons tandoori masala. Give it a good mix and marinate it for 15 minutes. If you prefer vegetarian or vegan toppings, paneer and tofu are a good option. Just marinate them the same way. Okay, our pizza dough has risen nice and puffy. So let's make the pizza base. Dust some flour on your working area and gently coat the dough with the flour. This dough is enough to make 2 large pizzas. So let's take half the dough and gently press it with your fingers or the base of your palm. Flatten it into roughly round shape. Don't use a rolling pin because it will flatten all the air pockets in the dough and your pizza base will become thick and hard, which we don't want. At this point, it's a good idea to start the oven and preheat it to 220 degrees Celsius. Take a baking tray lined with some baking paper. Drizzle some olive oil and spread it evenly. Let's place the flattened dough into the tray and spread it a little bit, sort of covering most of the tray. It doesn't need to be round. With a fork, make some holes, and this will allow the pizza sauce and flavor to seep a little bit in the dough. Drizzle some more olive oil and again spread it evenly. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of pizza sauce. You can also use tomato sauce instead. So here I'm dividing the pizza into 2 halves. On one half we will add tandoori chicken and on the other half the tandoori paneer. Chop this up with your favorite veggies. I'm adding some spinach or salad leaves, red and green capsicum. I love adding lots of veggies as toppings to make a healthier pizza. Some mushrooms and onions. Don't add cheese at this point as it will burn in the oven before the pizza is cooked. We will add it later. Okay, the oven is heated to 220 degrees Celsius, so let us set the timer for 15 minutes and place the pizza inside. Okay, 15 minutes is up. Let's add some cheese and leave it in the oven for another 2 minutes. There we go. Yummy tandoori paneer and chicken pizza is ready. Enjoy this pizza with a glass of rosé or red wine. Want to make this pizza without oven? No problem. Check out my video on no oven pan pizza with tandoori, paneer and chicken toppings. If you enjoyed this step-by-step pizza recipe, please like this video. Please show your love and support by subscribing to our channel so you don't miss out on our tongue-tickling recipes. See you again with a new tongue tickler. Thanks for watching.